Let's get started.
Taking a trek through the smaller towns, and in Puerto Rico, the 187 from Carolina to Luisa is really interesting. And it changes up a bit. You got to get back on the 3 and you get through Luquillo, and then when you go to Luquillo all the way to Fajardo, the route that's best is it turns into the 987, and that 987 will take you to the shore and the marinas. All along the way you'll find interesting restaurants and barbecues along the way, as well as the smaller businesses. It'll take you right around through the peninsula, down to the beach, and several spots, as well as back around and out to the 3. I understand people have GPS. It's just that sometimes when you hear about it and then you see it, then it all makes sense.
With our 2-year price guarantee, call 888-DISH or visit dish.com today.
From State Farm, I'm winning. I finally cleaned my house, so I'm bringing out my new tropical mini spray.
Keep winning.
Although it seems windy, it really isn't. It's more like a soft breeze. And it's a beautiful, huge beach. Not overcrowded. It does have the seaweed debris right now at this time of year. The great thing about it is you'll notice the shallows go out 300 yards. It's extraordinary. Punta Santiago is what Luquillo used to be, a real beach town. It doesn't have the surf like Luquillo. At the same time, the smaller businesses and the family-oriented economy is all a part of this town. Okay, now when we started, this was kind of the end of Punta Santiago. Again, quite a bit of seaweed debris, but just miles and miles and miles of beachline property. And I'm going to show you one other thing. Let's say on your adventure you decide to come out to Punta Santiago. If you do Catalina, if you land in Catalina and then use the 187 to venture out into those beaches, eventually you're going to wind up on the 3, and it's only 75 cents for the round trip to get out to Punta Santiago and then to start heading back towards Catalina, which you can take the 3 all the way to Catalina. Just stay off of the toll roads and you'll see a lot more of the towns that you're passing.
Please like and subscribe. Por favor, dale me gusta y suscríbete.